आज हमारे पास एक एंकाइलोजिंग स्पॉन्डिलाइटिस यानी HLA-B27 पॉजिटिव पेशेंट आए हैं हैदराबाद से। तो हम थोड़ा सा जान लेते हैं उनसे कि क्या प्रॉब्लम है और अभी क्या दिक्कत हो रहा है, उसके लिए किस चीज के लिए आए हैं और हम क्या कर सकते हैं उस ट्रीटमेंट के लिए। Hello, hope you are doing overall good. So could you tell me now, like in terms of what kind of problems you are facing and why are you here with us essentially? Okay, so please tell me what is the problem that you are facing that you have to come over here for treatment.
I have a problem of ankylosing spondylitis since past 14 years, and my spine became totally stiff, and most of the movements are restricted. Neck is totally stiff, and apart from that, my posture is tilting towards forward, like humpy neck.
Okay. So let me. You beautifully have said some of the things. So let me reiterate. You are suffering from ankylosing spondylitis for the past 14 years. You have a very stiff neck and a hump in the back with the neck being shifted to one side, and it's also stiff and you are not able to move the neck.
Exactly.
And you also are probably aware of that when you lay on the bed, your head is like high above, like in terms of the height of the bed, and there is a space or a gap between the bed and your head when you are laying down.
Exactly.
Correct? So, can you do me a favor? If you don't mind, can you walk so that we see how you're walking, and then we will see how you're laying on the bed and how much of the length you have.
Sure.
Okay?
Sure.
All right. Yeah, so bend forward. Yeah. Okay, fine. So, is there any pain while walking? No. Yeah, it should not be actually. So, do you mind laying on the bed? All right. Okay, fantastic. Okay, so you have about 9 finger width gap from the base of the bed to your head occiput. That's what we call. So about 9 finger width apart. So from here, please again have a seat. So from here, we will start doing the treatment for the head and the neck area, and also for the spine, and we will see how much his head is getting lowered, and maybe a little bit of rotation also for the neck. Please be aware of that you do have a left hip replaced.
Yes.
And that's on the left side only. The right one you still did not have any issues as of now. Am I correct in understanding?
Yes.
Okay. All right. Fantastic. So he has a left THA done. So total hip is replaced. So we will not be able to do anything on the left hip, but we will try to focus more in the upper quadrant. ये जगह पे हम देखेंगे इसको कितना सीधा कर पाएंगे और गर्दन को कितना घुमा पाएंगे और जो हेड है वो कितना नीचे आ सकता है बेड के ऊपर. Alright, thank you. So lay on your belly. Alright. So as you can see, he has probably around 4 finger width of gap in from the bed to the rib cage and the abdomen. पेट और जो हमारा फेफड़ा है उनका गैप है around 4 fingers. So because it's bent, and we will try to reduce that gap so that he can sleep better. सोने में उनको अच्छा मतलब सुविधा मिले, आराम से सो पाए. ठीक है? So are you liking Bengali food, or have you tasted Bengali food here in Kolkata?
Yes, sir. Little. Sometimes I go around to have some food.
Okay. So did you find what specialty did you find here which you liked or which you may not like?
Specialty in the sense, like I like that, like fish fry.
Oh, fish fry. Yeah. So you are like originally from Hyderabad, right?
Yes, but
Okay.
I do eat fish.
Oh, right. You do certainly eat fish. And then I know Hyderabad biryani is awesome. So I know you don't like that much of oily food. But did you ever have like biryani, or What's the?
Yeah. Aslan biryani I had the first day when I came.
Oh, okay, okay.
It was really awesome. More flavorful than Hyderabadi.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh wow. I mean, I think Hyderabad biryani has a different taste to it.
Yeah.
And this one is in Calcutta, it's a different taste. It's just, there are I think 6 or 8 varieties or types of, major types of biryanis.
Yes, sir.
As far as I know, I might be wrong.
Hyderabad is a kind of raw form of cooking.
Acha.
And this is like a pre-cooked flesh with.
Correct. Yes. Yes. It is the meat is pre-cooked.
Yes.
Exactly. That's very true actually. So now could you lay on your one sec. Let's check this guy. So now as you can see, just by relaxing the muscles a bit, we can see that he's over here. We have from 4 fingers. Now it's 2 finger width in the rib cage right over here, as you can look. So it's only 2 fingers left for us to kind of make him as straight as possible. As the spine will be slowly it will straighten out. He will slowly calm down and he will feel much more relaxed. There you go. This is much more better. Alright, relax. I know you have your issue, so we will come from here and open your mouth slightly. Awesome. Certainly, if you feel really discomfort, like really heavily discomfort, then only tell me. Because there will be a little bit of discomfort for sure. Five, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Yep, you're good. Alright, it will be over here, the pressure. Rest. Now we can just
I'm scared.
are you okay? You have to be okay.
Yeah, I have been. So this
Yeah, this one is this side now.
it's
It hurts
hurting a lot,
like anything. Do you have in this pain in the morning? Not really.
Not really, but
Yeah.
only when we
Only when we do this one.
Yeah.
I'm guessing.
Sorry. Yeah.
So right now we have from 9 fingers. So right now we have one hand or 5 fingers width from the base of the bed to this occiput or head. पहले 9 उंगली उनका ज्यादा था, हेड ऊपर था, अभी सिर्फ 1 हाथ यानी 5 उंगली है. ठीक है, तो फिर हम कंटिन्यू करेंगे उनका ट्रीटमेंट ताकि वो आराम से सो पाए और हम देखेंगे कितना नीचे आ रहा है उनका गर्दन. ठीक है, तो could you kindly sit over here? So you are originally from Hyderabad, so do you know Hindi or?
I was traveling a lot of places.
Oh.
I was there in Bombay for 8 years.
So you do know? 8 years, so yeah, so you should know then. Oh, wonderful. Alright, relax. Let me see how much you can move right and left, right and left. That's fairly good. And left I'm not that satisfied. Right is good. See, move. So can you see my finger now?
Yes.
That is really good. But left probably, if I place over here my finger, can you see?
No, sir.
So the right one is moving, but the left one is really stuck, kind of. All right, let's go. Oh, that same left hip,
Yes,
right?
yes.
So I'll change that angle. How about now?
Yeah, better.
Better. Okay. All right.
Pain in my left shoulder backside.
How about now? Better? Okay. And now your favorite one. You know what I mean? All right. Okay. You can take a little breather. Okay. All right. This one. Got it.
That pain here, slight muscle pain. I guess.
Muscle. Yeah. That's muscle.
I should relax, right?
Yes, as much as possible. As much as possible. Relax your rib cage, relax your belly. Relax. Think as if you are in Maldives, on the beach, by yourself. Pearly beach.
Without any girl.
No.
My goodness.
Yes. Pearly white beach. And you like fish like me, so you will have all sorts of good food.
Yeah.
Seafood.
Seafood.
Yeah. Nice seafood. Oh! Try to breathe as normally as possible. Use belly breathing. Hang in there with me. Okay. Ready? Hold on. Long deep breath. Relax. Start. You are fast, your pelvis is stable, you are walking tall, it's really straight. How are you feeling in terms of walking now?
Bit relaxed, like
Okay.
the muscles, they are not tense.
As tight as it was.
Yes.
So I feel like you are a little tall in terms of straightening up this portion.
Yeah, I
actually.
could see this part a little straight.
Little straight, so you can.
Here I used to see like this, Now I can see little bit that.
Oh, okay. That area you can see. Previously it was like this.
I
Okay.
used to see like this.
Ah.
But not required. I can just
Now you go, move a little bit of your spine and can see that.
Right.
Okay. All right. Fantastic. Thank you.